Hey everybody, Mr. Height back here with Investigation 3. So this one's a little different. We want to look at insulators and conductors with heat energy. And we want to actually take one of our cans here and see if we can trap the heat in. So for this one, you're going to think about some different materials that you could actually wrap the can in. So we would go ahead and heat our can first. Notice I have the setup still the same heat lamp. I'm 20 centimeters away, same can, same thermometer. So we want to heat that up for 5 minutes. If you have time to heat it up even longer, I think you'll get better results. So if you're able to make it go a little bit longer, that would be great. So what you're going to do is let it heat it up for 5 minutes or hopefully a little bit longer. And then you want to record the initial temperature, that highest temperature before you turn the thermometer off. So what you want to do is, depending on your class, you might have students with different materials. So I have some cloth, I have some tin foil, and I have some store-bought paper towels. Styrofoam, like styrofoam cup, you can wrap around. That is also suggested. Even the school brand paper towels. I highly suggest not using plastic. Like plastic wrap might not be good. It might get a little too hot and melt. You don't want that. So you want to think about what material you're going to use, because remember, we want to trap the heat inside of the can. So what material will you think that do you think that will insulate the can the most? Won't let that heat escape. So just to kind of show you, so let's say I've heated the can for over 5 minutes. I'm recording my temperature before I turn the lamp off. Let's just say, for instance, I'm going to use a piece of tin foil. Also suggest that you have a little tape, so you can tape the material around. And you want to do it quickly. So I would already have talked to my teammates or class, teacher, whoever you're working with, and talk about how you're going to wrap it. Have that all in your mind, so it doesn't take that long to do. So I'm just going to get a little piece of tape ready right here. High quality tape, a little bit, just a little piece. And I'm going to use tin foil. Do you think tin foil would be a good insulator or not? And what type of material is tin foil? Aluminum foil. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap that around as best I can. And put my tape on there. So boom. So I have it all nice and wrapped. I'm going to go ahead. I've recorded my temperature, where it's at now. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lamp. And again, every minute for 5 minutes, we are going to record the temperature and see if, in fact, the temperature goes down or it stays the same. We shall see. So we want to see what type of material would be our best insulator. If you don't have the materials, and if you're virtual, I do have an awesome virtual lab with insulators, and I'm going to show you that as well. So you can use the materials here, or you can actually use this virtual lab, which is all about heating a house. So I'll show that to you too. You could do both if you have time. All right, guys. See ya.